Here I have an industrial heat gun. So this is a very powerful heating gun. As you can see, it's a 1800 watt. So right here you have the adjustment of temperature, whatever temperature you want. Right here is the adjustment of the fan, so if you want it stronger or weaker, that would be right here. So it's pretty simple, not complicated. It does come with a little stand, so you could stand it like that, and that just helps it stand. It comes with adjustments, so here you have different adjustments for whatever project you're working on whatever you need. So you would just put the adjustments on just like that, or you don't have to use any. But this you can remove paint, varnish. You can use it for any sorts of house projects, for anything. It is powerful. It's comfortable to hold, simple to use, and it works great. This is a good one.